Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make objects fall in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a cube. So we can go to Add, Merge, and add a cube. And then we can go to the Add Cube panel. We can move upwards to 5 meters in this example. And then I want to rotate a bit. Next, we can select the cube and go to Physics Properties. And then add the rigid body. In the type, we keep it inactive, so we can press the spacebar. It's falling. It doesn't stop because we don't have another object to stop it. So I go back to 0 second and then add another object. I add the plan as a ground. So I press S to scale up it and then select the plan and add rigid body to the plan. I set the type to passive. So we can press spacebar to play the preview. So it falls and stops on the ground. So this is how we can make objects fall in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.